Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Squarespace website. First, navigate to squarespace.com and begin by selecting a template that best suits your vision. Squarespace offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, so take your time to find the perfect fit. Next, sign up for an account and choose a subscription plan. You can start with a free trial to explore all the features before committing. Now, let's dive into customizing your design. Squarespace provides robust tools to personalize every aspect of your site. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Easily upload your own images and videos to create a visually stunning experience. Remember, a consistent visual style across all pages helps build a strong brand presence. Next, we'll add essential features to make your website functional and engaging. If you're selling products, Squarespace's e-commerce tools allow you to manage inventory, process payments, and track orders seamlessly. Consider adding a blog to share valuable content and connect with your audience. Don't forget to include contact forms and social media links for easy communication. Finally, it's time to launch your Squarespace website. Connect your custom domain name to give your site one professional address. Before publishing, utilize Squarespace's built-in SEO tools to optimize your content for search engines, helping potential visitors find you. Once live, monitor your site's performance using the integrated analytics to understand visitor behavior and make informed improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.